Hey up YouTubers, how are we? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. Well, this week is our last tour of Scotland. So we've just come out of GlenShee ski resort and we're heading south on the A93, heading down towards Pitlochry. All the way through here there's nothing really much to talk about, just to sit back, enjoy the scenery, enjoy the roads. I sped it up to 2 times so you can sort of see what these roads are like. This place is so vast. So a little bit of history with the GlenShee Ski Centre. We've just dropped down from the top of the mountains around about 600 metres, 650 metres above sea level. It's the biggest ski resort in Britain. It has 22 lifts, 30 runs and 25 miles of skiing. So this is a good bit when you come down on the bottom as you've dropped down from 650 metres. You get these roads and these corners just go on forever, and we were clogging on down here. So it's a fair hike all the way from GlenShee ski resort. We're still on the A93 and just round here, we're going to turn right. I'm going to turn right on the B950 heading towards Pitlochry. We're going to run down here for probably around about 6 mile I think it is. And I'm going to do another right on the A924 to drop down into Pitlochry. These are road end. We're going to do another right here. This is the A924. It'll take us all the way into Pitlochry. So you can just see in front of us we've got a bit of a, what do you call it, a hill, a bit of a moor. It's the usual thing that happens up in Scotland is you're in the bottom of a valley. To get somewhere else you've got to go over the top. So we're going to start climbing now. It's not much of a pass, but we're going to start climbing up before we drop down into the side of the valley in the Pitlochry. top of the moor now. I'm going to start dropping down. So a few corners down here you can just see in the bottom of the valley, and you'll just be able to see Pitlochry. Just got a little bit wet this side of the valley, as you can see, running on Metzler 01s road techs. Awesome in the wet. Some people like them, some people don't. So you just keep getting sneak previews there of Pitlochry. There's one there just on the left, right in the bottom of the valley. Into Pitlochry now, into the 30, as we usually do as motorcyclists. We do the 30 mile an hour. Dropping down now, top end of the village. I'm going to drop all the way down onto it's Main Street, I think it's called, which is the A924. Nearly got him, not quite, but anyway. So on our journey's end into Pitlochry town, village, probably a town I would say. Really nice place. We stopped at the hostel, youth hostel in Scotland. Find it, I'll put a link down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, well, whichever, give it a thumbs down. All helps with the algorithms, doesn't it? Thanks very much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Press that subscribe button, ring that bell. Every time I upload a video, you will get a notification. I hope everybody's keeping safe out there in these times. By the time you watch this, with nearly 3 days left of lockdown 2.0. Anything you'd like to comment on, please comment down below. And as they say, keep safe, and we'll see you soon.